Hyperstack is constantly growing with new features, and now it also supports image generation. Open your favorite browser, go to console.hyperstack.cloud, and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, go to AI Studio and open the My Models section. Here, you'll see a new tab for vision models. Hyperstack offers a wide range of vision models, along with their pricing and current availability status. To use these AI image models, go to the playground and open the Image section. Here, you can choose from different image generation and image editing models. You can also adjust several advanced parameters to customize the output. Simply enter your prompt and click Send. Hyperstack will generate a high-quality image for you in seconds. If you find a model useful, you can click the API button to use it directly in your own code. You can also compare image models side by side. Select the models, adjust their settings, enter your prompt, and run the generation to compare the results. There's a lot to explore. The AI world is constantly growing, and so is Hyperstack. Head over to console.hyperstack.cloud and start exploring today.